Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you will fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to M+Syn School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to conduct an English literature class for class 1 students. Our today's topic, Unit 5, discussion plus word meaning plus synonym antonym CW. Let's see our today's class. Class 1, subject English literature, term Havili. Topic Unit 5, word meaning synonym antonym. Lecture 14, Example 10, Ariful Islam teacher, mobile number this is, and today's date. So my dear students, open your buzzword book and go to page number 42. Okay, let's start our today's class. Unit 5, the cat with no tail. Okay, so we will start from this page. Little gray cat is sad. Little gray cat is sad. Why is sad? Look at me, I am a cat, but I have no tail because he has no tail. Where is your tail? This cat is asking. I can't find my tail. Then let's look for our tail. This cat says. The three friends see many animals. The three friends see many animals. This horse has a big tail. So horse has a big tail. Look over there. The rabbit has a small white tail. Okay. Let's go to this page. Look at this monkey. It has a long tail. The three friends says. This is the monkey. The monkey has a long tail. They see some birds in a tree. They see some birds in a tree. What tiny tails those birds have? The birds have a tiny tails. Oh, what a lovely tail this peacock has. The peacock has a lovely tail. Green and yellow and blue. The three cats go back home. His friends tell little gray cat not to be sad. Tails are big, tails are small, tails are long. You have no tail at all. But don't be sad. You can run and jump. You can play and have fun. So little gray cat is not sad anymore. Okay, my dear students. So this is our today's lecture. Let's start. Word meaning. So, Unit 5, the cat with no tail, word meaning find. Find means to discover. D-I-S-C-O-V-E-R. No full stop. Tiny. Tiny means very small. Tiny means very small. Lovely. Lovely means nice to look at. Lovely means nice to look at. So find, to discover, tiny, very small, lovely, nice to look at. Synonym antonym. Word synonym and antonym. Tiny. Tiny means small. S-M-A-double synonym. And antonym is big. Tiny, small, big. Lovely. Lovely means nice. N-I-C, nice. Antonym is ugly. Sad, unhappy, happy. Sad, unhappy, happy. So tiny, small, big, lovely, nice, ugly, sad, unhappy, happy. So fill in the gaps. Little gray cat is dash. So we will go to the book. Little gray cat is sad. The word sad is missing here. So we will write little gray cat is sad. Number 2, the three cats see many dash. So our answer is the three friends see many animals. So the word animals is missing. The three cats or three friends see many animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Number 3. The dash has a big tail. So let's go to the book again. This horse has a big tail. So the horse has a big tail. So here we will write the answer. The horse has a big tail. I'm reading again. Word meaning: find, to discover, tiny, very small, lovely, nice to look at. Synonym antonym: word tiny, small, big, lovely, nice, ugly, sad, unhappy, happy. Number 1. Fill in the blanks. Little grey cat is sad. The 3 cats see many animals. The horse has a big tail. So my dear students, eat vacation lesson ISW, submission date 29/5/2021, Unit 5, word meaning, synonym antonym plus fill in the blanks. So eat vacation lesson, submit on 29/5/21, Unit 5, word meaning, synonym antonym plus fill in the blanks. So my dear students, that's all for today. Do your SW at home and submit on 29/5/2001. Keep practicing at home. Have a good parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again till then. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.